Okay, so I'm changing out the, what is that, Sparkomatic, whatever, DuraSpark ignition, because it's getting a little bit of a miss, and I don't know if it could be the blow-by and fouled plugs, but I changed the plugs, still getting it, and so I wanted to keep all the connections and use a not an MSD, but a PERTRONIX box. And I was about to clean up all the wires, so it's kind of a mess. And it has a connector I bought so you could hook up to the to your distributor. But getting this plug out was a concern, and then I found a good workaround, or a good trick to do on these plugs. You notice I have two nails stuck in each side. Oh, that's a pin, and so that holds it open while you could get some pliers on it and pull it out without, screaming, cursing. And I did use some lubricant on there too. I don't know if it really needed it or not. So yeah, so now I should be able to reuse that plug, but I forget, I saw it was some forum that I saw this on, so I can't say that this is my idea, but I wanted to share and show how that plug is. Well, the clips broke anyway, so, and that happened on both sides. So even though I tried to keep it pried open so it wouldn't break, they ended up breaking anyway. But what are you gonna do? Okay, let's give her a start up with the new PERTRONIX box. Get in. So the PERTRONIX box shows you the rev limiter when you first start up. That's the RPM. Let me see if I could do it again. Which kind of shows you what it's set at. Now these RPM gauges on the Foxbodies are notorious to be don't represent very well. So sometimes it goes to 6,000, sometimes it goes to 4. But it's set at 5.5. So anyway, give it a few pumps. Goes.